We are solving for x. So normally I would multiply everything by the LCD. But if I look at this problem, I can go ahead and move this minus 5 over and make it plus 5. So that gives me x over 2 equals 5 minus 4 is 1. And then I can make that 1 a fraction and cross multiply. So 1 times x is x, 2 times 1 is 2. So that's one way. Now, a lot of times you have to get rid of your fraction. So with this problem, we didn't. It was easy enough without getting rid of the fraction. But a lot of times you'll have problems where you will want to. So refine the LCD, which is easy, which is 2. So we're going to multiply every term by 2 or 2 over 1. Since this is a fraction, we're going to multiply it by 2 over 1 so that our 2's can cancel. Here we don't have anything to cancel, so we just multiply it by the 2. So that's going to give us right here, the 2's cancel. So that gives us x. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. X equals, move the negative 10 over, make that plus 10 right here. 10 minus 8 is positive 2. So you see you get the same answer, just whichever way works for you. We're going to solve for m, so we have 5m minus 2 equals m plus 6. We're going to move the m over, so that's 5m minus m equals, we're going to move the negative 2 over, so that's 6 plus 2, so that's 4m equals 8. Divide both sides by 4, m equals 2. Now, I know some of y'all stack them. That's fine. What I mean by stack them is you write them underneath. Whatever works for you. Some of y'all do minus m, and then plus 2. Just do whatever works best for you. And divide both sides by 4. You still get the same answer. And notice right here in the answer blank, they already have the m equals, so just put the 2. Double check in my open math what they have. Like here, they already have x equals, and they want you to put the answer in. So now this one, we have a fraction equals one number. So I'm going to put that number over 1. Now, you can only do this cross multiply when you have a fraction equals a fraction, or a whole number that you make a fraction. So what you're going to do is you're going to cross multiply. You're going to multiply these together and these together. Well, so 5x, and I'm just going to put this extra step, times 1. But we know 5x times 1 is 5x. Bring down the equal sign, and then we're going to multiply 10x plus 6 times 1. Well, we know that's 10x plus 6. Then move your x's wherever you feel best. If you like them on the left, move them to the left. If you like them on the, if you'd rather have positive, that's fine. I'm going to move this to the left. I'm going to do it underneath like a lot of y'all do. So 5x minus 10x, be careful with your signs. Signs are different. Subtract, take the sign of the larger, equals a 6. We're going to divide both sides by negative 5. So x equals negative 6/5. And write that as a fraction. Don't change it to a decimal unless they tell you to, because a lot of times they're non-terminating, non-repeating decimals, and if they don't tell you to round, you'll get the wrong answer. So leave it. Don't even change it to a mixed number.